Hello everybody, welcome to live trading and a random algo presentation. Weren't live few days or even weeks now. Sorry about that. I was really busy and I had to work on this project, and finally I am close to be finished and already started trading on the live accounts. So yeah, let's start. Hi Black Flag Marine, what's up man? Uh, yeah, FATL was a long time, but still really busy developing this, testing, trading. You know, the when somebody is really trading, don't have time for too much things, but people think that it's a bit different, and it's really not. It's really full time plus trading and developing. So I am trying my best to do all things, considering being with my family and high frame. Sorry, Fatil, I don't know what's HFT algo. High frequency trading. Do you mean that? I can let's. I was working on high frequency algo, but to be honest, for high frequency algo, you need a bigger capital if you want to be really profitable. If you just want to have high frequency trading algo just for sake having it and just, I don't know, to be able to make money for a month and then lose for another, that's a different story. I don't want to use it before at least I have 1 million in a trading capital. For cryptocurrency, maybe I can do a smaller, maybe 500 plus account. But for that kind of trading, when you want to have a different deal with the exchange and everything, and make my market maker algo or stuff like that, you need the bigger capital to be profitable. You can do it like there's some shitty algos on MQL platform, but it's not going to make you money long term. And to be honest, after this 100% algo, let me show you. No, sorry. So this is my trading account, and I want to show you the history. So as you can see, it's 100%, and you can see it's only trading for now 4 pairs because the account is small. When account becomes bigger or I put more money, I can put more pairs. But for you to be able to make money on higher frequency, you need bigger account, because as soon as you get in the position you want to get out in the profit, so you're going in the limit orders, you want to get out as soon as possible, so you're just taking cents here and there, and for you to be able to make good money you really need a bigger capital. But that's about it. So just to do the update. So Aussie dollar, and one important thing. So you can see it took trade here and took profit target, and then it changed the random lines because I put the formula in, and it's going to change as price action change, and it's going to find the formulas for the real big bots and algos where they are going to take profits. And it's going to be much better than me. Let me show you on the shitcoin. It shouldn't work. So when you ask me where I would recommend not trading with this algo, I would say some shitcoin, because when it goes one direction, it just goes in one direction. But I will show you Ethereum. It's 100% so far, and had a lot of trades. And after this, I don't need high frequency algo. I make more than enough money with this one, and with Brian Watt Scalper and institutional level and trend trader. So, and I don't need to do all this. I am already retired, but I really like this, and this one is going to be my legacy. This There's no 100% winning rate or even 90% winning rate algo out there for retail traders. But with my knowledge combining with everything I know so far in past years, this is the end result. So it doesn't matter. I can show you another pair. It's whatever pairs I took, it's just doing 100%. So this was starting scaling in and got out. And as you can see in the history itself, just makes money. There's on this account that's like that's like a lot or too much. To be honest, percentage wise, it made more money these 2 weeks than me. Okay, I didn't trade full time because I really didn't have time. I really was focused on making this, improving, finding bugs back and forth, and I really was focused on this. Yo, Jeeves, are you on the Discord? No, I don't see you. Doesn't matter. I see you now. Hey, man.
Wasn't sure if you needed me in on it.
Need, don't need. You're part of the team.
Wanted.
If I didn't want you, I would tell you. There's
Sure.
like, if you have access, you're free to come. If you don't have access, like, that's
Don't
it.
come.
You cannot.
uh,
It
that'll be a
it
sad day
it's
when that happens.
it's no, it's not going to happen. But it's really easy with me. I don't know why people make so hard stuff. Like, if we're good, we're good. If we're not good, like, that's with me. I'm not playing two cards. Like, I'm always straight and honest. Doesn't I don't care. I don't need subscribers. I don't need charity. Like I'm not here on YouTube just please subscribe and click notification. Jesus Christ. God damn it, please just don't.
I just clicked like. Someone else clicked like too.
Thanks, but whatever. All of your trades were automatic or placed manually. So Fatil, this randomized bot algo, that's everything is automatic. I didn't touch it at all. I closed it. I will show you on the beginning when we were testing 3 weeks ago because I had error in the code, entire history. So let me show you entire history. So all the red trades that were placed, this was first trade that was error in the code. So I had to close it. This was error in the codes, but every blue that you see is a random bot trading itself. So when I have an error in the code, when you're testing a bot, you just close it. You lose that money. Like, that's just part of development. You have your budget. you're willing to lose that account because you need to test bot. That's it. But after this, when I fix the code, yeah, after the last fixing the code, it's just 100%. There is no losing trade at all, and still maybe a small bug. But hey, as I said, I hope it's going to be totally 100% finish by end of the year, and when I show like 3 months of 100% winning rate, like that's it. That's my legacy. Nothing else. Nothing else to be done for me. I don't know. Like, is there a next level? Davis, can you?
Can't believe it only took you 3 weeks to get to this point. Even that's insanity. 3 weeks, 100% win rate, done.
Yeah, because I have had a 100% um, strategy in my head. I didn't need to ask people around, how do I determine this or how I do this? Because for institutional level, I had a blank space in my head. I understand the levels, I understand stuff in a general way, like everybody. But when you need to put it in the code, that's a really different formula. But I already had experience with that. I had experience with cTrader. I had even when I made the RSI, stupid RSI bot works, like I knew I can do like I can make a bot, but I needed a 100% strategy to be able to implement it in the bot. So when I was certain that's the strategy, so maybe in 10 years is going to lose, or 5, doesn't matter, or once a year one pair of 10 pairs, but you're going to make so much more money. That's like, so far I didn't found the losers if I use it correctly, like not even one, even in testing. I don't know how your testing went, but for me
Yep.
it's just killing.
I can definitely make it lose when I do stupid things with settings.
Yeah, I agree. You can you like Fatil. It's going something like that. It's a risky. Same for Brian Watt, risky. But difference in this bot is I understand, or Algo understands the levels or the price where some bounce should happen. So sometimes when some news is incoming, then it's not going to bounce on that area, but on next or next two it's going to bounce. It's not just scaling more, scaling more, scaling more, and just lose your account. It's going to stop. Its first trade was 0.1. Depends on my pair, Salvatil. So one contract for Ethereum, that's a minimum for entry. One contract Ethereum that you saw, that's like $400. That's nothing. Let's see. This is Ethereum, as you can see. GBP started with the smallest Ethereum. This is 3 contracts Ethereum. That's like $1,200. That's nothing. That's not even decent sized positions. And this is like, as you can see, like we're just making money, taking trades. I wouldn't take so many trades here, but it doesn't care, and it just as shown on the screen, it just makes money. Like I can make myself for myself trading really hard because not this time and not this time. It's not going to bounce this time, not this time. And when Algo works, it doesn't care. It just do what it should do. And sometimes it even flips on certain parameters. It's going to flip long to short. So when let's say it's going higher, it's going to turn off this trade, and when the price is going higher, it's not going to short it on the random line. When it goes down, it's going to activate the long, and then it's going to different trend. I don't know, Gibbs, did you saw that? But when
I
something
haven't seen it in action yet. But
something specifically has to be done in the price action, and bot is going to do that. It's going to turn off the long and short above and below on the first one, and after price past that level, it's going to activate again because trend changed. So it wants to do a little bit different, but it's just in one scenario, and I see like 3 times so far on Ethereum it did like that, and maybe Aussie dollar or something like that. Maybe in Aussie dollar 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Didn't I remember now, but in one specific scenario is going to switch. But to be honest, I don't want to say what it has to be done on the live on YouTube because it's like this is like one
you
of
could
the kind.
deconstruct it theoretically.
Uh, it's really different. It's really difficult. You remember they wanted to do my institutional level bot to recreate on that Twitch group, but and the result was disaster and funny.
Yep.
And it's not that easy, but I like some things are really secret. This is really one of the kind. Yeah, it's adding on the position, but it's not that easy. Like, okay, you just add. Fuck it. If it's that easy, everybody would make money. Like, don't close position and just add. You're going to lose your whole account in that way. If you do it properly on the proper spot where it makes sense to the proper contract size, then you're going to make money. But it's not like also yesterday one guy told me, yeah, I figured out it's like just roulette, like black and red, and you just double every time and you lose. Fuck it, you're going to lose your whole account in that way. It's not that easy because people like figure out that before us and try it, and it's like it's going to work sometimes till it doesn't. That moment when it doesn't work, ask Razer. He lost like 2 times his account. Ask Mr. I know the best. He lost like 15 times his account. Every time he thinks like he figured out the like holy grail, it's not that easy. You really need to work your ass for this, and when I do it, it looks easy, but I really have a big knowledge, and I
And
was
screen
there.
time.
And screen time, but I was there. They teach me. They were teaching me the math behind the big bots and algos. I had to learn it because I had to make bot for them that actually works, because my idea was good for institutional level. My concept was great, but the way I started making it wouldn't work. Like I remember it was really frustrating for me. Like they were talking to me like I'm stupid. Like fuck it. When I say it's like this, no, and they explain me like every detail. I understood levels, but not perfectly. Like in the core of the sentence. Like really deeply understand what the hell is going on the chart. Like not just people. I need to understand the bots because everything is connected. It's not just going bot to turn the market or just people. It has to work together to for something to be happening. If big news is incoming, market maker bots are turned off, and market movers clicking the freaking big orders and move the market even faster. But if market maker bots are turned on, every bot, it wouldn't move that fast, not a chance. It would still move because the order was bigger, but not even close. Like there, like there's so much stuff happening behind the scene that retail traders don't understand. And when you like figure out the most stuff, even I don't know everything, not even close. But when you understand what's like what is exactly behind the scenes, you can do stuff like this. And I really don't know what's next for me. When I finish this, I started this because I like the challenge, but when I prove this is 100% bot, Jeebus, can you help me? Is there anything
You want
else?
me to tell you what to do?
Yeah.
Nope.
Fuck it. Like that's it. That's my legacy. I thought
I do have a
like
suggestion.
yeah,
Take a fucking holiday.
I would take this year to be honest, and would go to my friend uh and to Croatia to vacation when
Good
this
plan.
when this Linkche guy was on the vacation, but because of stupid Corona, and I didn't want to come back and like give Corona to my wife. She has asthma, and I don't didn't want to do that, so nothing for me this year. But hey, when I finish this, it's going to be vacation 24/7. Like I have some friend from Belgrade. He has his own building, and he is now on Morocco. And last week he was in Ibiza, and week before that he was in the Greece. And he's just traveling the world with his family and doing nothing. He said I'm retired, and every first of the month he get his like rent, and that's it for him. So like this is my goal. Like this bot plus my idea is to buy the building. Like that's a idea like last year and a half maybe. And I can do that now, but it will like drain my accounts, and I wouldn't feel comfortable. And I will wait a bit to make a bit bigger accounts and bigger money, and then I can just do same shit.
Secure
And
your legacy.
yeah, like it's not just me. Okay, I finished for me and my wife, like 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 pension, but I didn't secure my kids till then they finish their pension. So like why not if I can? Like two generation makes money, third generation is going to wreck everything. So I am that first generation. Maybe my kids are going to like evolve more, and then their kids going to fuck everything up. But doesn't matter. It has to be like that. It's just in human nature. So that so many times that's like crazy. Uh, how are trading going, James?
Mine, it's up and down, I gotta say. I had a bad week last week with two losing trades, both on yen pairs. And I'm underwater at the moment, but I'm always underwater, so that's no
Yeah,
biggie. Underwater until I'm out.
yeah.
Um,
Tell me what did you learn after that?
what did
Uh,
I learn? Don't trade yen pairs. Fucking
yeah,
pieces of shit.
yeah, nice. Here is the yen pair. This with this style, you have your random bot. Algo, turn it on, man. It's going to show you the levels, even if you don't use it on live account because maybe of the error code error.
Yeah.
But you will still have the raw lines, so you can use
I
it
did that
properly.
actually. I
Okay.
put it on and went, I'm too far away from that line, and I'm just gonna kill this trade there. That's what made my decision for me. That I was like, I don't think this is recovering anytime soon. And
Where?
ironically, it was
Where,
correct.
man? I see 100% winning trades here. Fuck it, don't say that. Look, Jesus Christ. This one was okay. That's three reads one time. in a month. That's no biggie. That's okay. Like it has to do something like that in a month. You have to be prepared for that. It's just normal price
Yeah.
action. Nothing crazy there.
But that's a 15-minute chart, not a 5-minute chart, right?
Yeah, but you saw my drawdown. It's on 4 pairs were open at the same time, and I had like 15% drawdown, 17% maybe on all 4 pairs that were in the minus same time. So for 1 pair trading, I don't think I had more than, let's say, maybe 8% max drawdown. It's a big, but to be honest, it's not when I do 10% a week. Fuck, like that's certainly not too much. And I don't say you have to do it, but just let it run on the demo. And people will say, but demo account is not real money. Algos don't care. When it's trade like this on demo, it's going to trade same on the live account. It doesn't have emotions.
No
And
feelings.
yep, and when it makes money there, it's going to make money on real account because this is same price action. Maybe it's like small, like 0.1% difference, but in this kind of scenario, it doesn't matter because you can see you would get in this position no matter what. You would get in this position no matter what. Like same here. It's not just like touching the line and just going your direction. It's going to work. Don't worry. Like, and just see if you like it after the month and you see like, hey man, this fucking makes money. Like, you can try it. Why not?
Yep. I think
How's
I definitely need to learn to tweak the settings a bit better, obviously, as well. So I wasn't confident that it had drawn correct fibs to start with. So I need to practice with those and
to
write
be
down some more settings.
to be 100% honest, I'm not
Default
100%
settings.
certain on the settings myself. So like, fuck it, fuck it. Like even my team, they build it, but as I said, it's not up for sale now because we didn't finish it, and we want it to be perfect. People that want to invest in the project, they're free to do it, and we'll get Algo for free. But other than that, like yesterday, 40 asked me, is going to be limited, like institutional level or not. For this price, I don't have to limit it because, like, maybe I'm going to sell 4 or 5 license. And for this kind of trading and the big bots behind random lines, it's not going to like we all trade different markets and everything is different. It's not going to have like thousands of copies and then we're going to be seen and then they're going to make different kind of algo that's going to counter us. This is real. This is not BitMEX and not just Bitcoin or some shitcoin. So, and you tested 2014, bot made money, and this strategy became out in 2017 when they implement this in the bot. Maybe the human behavior was running similar before that, but officially this strategy became in the algos in 2017.
Good to know.
That's knowledge that I have. So they figured out human behavior that's a given. So that is why it's working even in 2014. But officially in the like precision bots, it's just became in 2017. But you're not going to find this in retail traders because retail traders don't understand what they're like. They are going to tell you it's a random line on the chart. So because it's a random line, it's a random algo, and it's a random 100% win rate. Ah, Steiny, do you like Magic Fibs trading? No, Steiny.
No Steiny.
Uh, I left leave. I didn't left. I leave the private copper trading for itself for a week and a half. I didn't have time, and it made more money than I would. It didn't close on my stupidity. I saw every time it went where it should, and I was like, "Damn, I would close this too early. Early. Damn, I would close this too early."
Uh, I was chatting with the guys last night, doing a screen sharing thing, and I did the same thing. I killed a trade. I'm like, oh, this probably isn't going to make it. Kill it, and then I think Simple Futures goes, oh, that was a good trade, and I'm like, I bet you it goes to my target now, and the bot would have just closed it with way more profit, and then about 5 seconds later, smashes to it. I was like, yep, there it is. Should have
Fuck.
just fucking left it.
Nice. Uh, See, this time it didn't activate the freaking trade because of the stupid spread, but the random lines. Like yesterday, I was with my kid and trying to teach him the same, and some of his friends. Fucking bot is now drawing lines. It's not better like better, but it's much faster than me. I need sometimes like 2 minutes to find the perfect swing. To find the freaking, and on the left screen it's bot and it's already done, and I'm still trying to figure out where is the swing to pull the fibs. And my son was like, why do you like bother when you have the freaking program? And I was like, yeah, but you have to first learn the old school
Yep,
if you
there's
want to
logic
trade.
behind this. Yep,
Like
yeah.
I told him, like, don't be like others. Like, you have me beside you. Like, you can ask any freaking question and sit here every day. Freaking, it's your like summertime. Like, if you want money, here is the like legit way. I'm going to open an account on my name, and you trade everything you make. Like, it's yours. I don't care. Like, and I give you money for that. Like, doesn't matter. But
I will pay you to learn to trade.
yeah, and he was like, "But why would I do that? Like we have bots. Like just put the bot in." And I was like, "God damn it, learn the basics first. Like don't jump in the bots,
Just don't give him
motherfucker."
the bot and be like, ah, work it out, kid.
No,
Actually,
I
don't do
don't
that
want.
because he'll do that to us.
No, I don't want to do that to him because that way, money is going to just fall from the sky. He will not understand the value on the money. Yeah, but that's stupid thing to do. Like if I bought it myself, then it makes sense. But if I made it, not if because I made it and I really understand that, I should explain him. Okay, he can use it in the future, but first, man, learn learn it, please. Don't just. What do you do, kid, for like? What do you do for a living? I'm trader. Oh, nice. What strategy you use? I don't know. Like I have a
I
bot.
click start. I
Yeah,
click start, and then I walk away, and then I come back at the end of the week, and then take my money out of the account.
yeah. Fuck.
Speaking of fuck, I just missed a fill to get me out of this GBP AUD long, long, by 1 pip, and it just hit my profit target. I was like, God damn you, piece of shit.
GBP or the dollar. I'm stuck in one trade
I think
for
we
a
must be
week.
in the same one.
For a
Oh no,
week.
okay, we're not in the
No,
same
no,
one
no,
then.
no, no, no. For 2 weeks, man. For 2 weeks. I'm now looking at the chart. It's 2 weeks. It's not a big drawdown. I didn't have a bigger drawdown than $300 on a 5K account. That's okay, but it doesn't move. It's just rearranging. Like it's close to my average, and then it goes back. It comes when, and then I read it comes close to my average, and again it just run away from me. Like motherfucker, fuck, like go down, Jesus. But doesn't matter. I to be honest, after like seeing this in action, and just thinking on clicking all position off and just putting the button and leaving the PC and just fuck everything. I don't
Yep.
care. I need. Do you hear me still,
Yep.
Jibas?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, because my every MT5 account lost connection, and it's like 5 times, clink, clink, six
Oh, that
times now.
fun.
But everything's fine now. Nice. I started again the Ribbit account and want to get in the position. Then I want to play options. I miss that, to be honest. Like I know it sounds stupid, like doesn't make sense for people, but 20x last year I made it like this. Like I was
Yeah, I
trading.
thought you'd already decided to do that, hadn't you?
Yeah, but now I put more money in. So like
Ah,
it's
okay.
it's a bigger decision, like
Ah,
uh
okay. Now it's
like
real.
yeah, like account size. When I put like 2, 3, 5K, that's me playing. But when I put more money in, then it's it's a real deal. Uh, I think I finally got over the 28th of February and 1st March, so like I am ready for bigger plays now. Finally,
Time to
after
move on.
it 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 was some time, but fuck, like better late than never. So and I even started doing planks, push-ups and planks, sit-ups and stuff like that. Just uh,
Good. Yeah, you're gonna redo your gym, weren't you?
yeah, but it's Corona and everybody has different jobs, and this is like it's not you order from the firm and then they're just going to give you here and just get over. I have a guy to do that. It's like privately. After his job, he starts doing that, like the iron for like push-ups, pull-ups, and like it's going to be a street kind of uh,
Gym.
gym. Yeah, street kind of gym, because that way I'm going to be in proper shape. If I just do the gym regular, I'm going to be a strongman, and I don't want to do that. Like the last time when I was just in gym, I was trying to pull more and more weight, and eventually I'm going to hurt myself that way. If I'm just doing the street and some decent size weight, I'm going to be in shape and don't going to hurt myself that easy. It's not the same. Screen froze. No, let me see.
Yeah, it
Um,
looks like it's froze. Oh, your MT5 dead. Yeah, there we go. It's back.
Sorry, guys. I wasn't looking. GP Aussie dollar is going down. Hmm.
Yeah, have a look at a 15-minute candle.
I'm looking 50 minutes because I was stuck in trade and then I like deleted everything on chart and pulled the random line and pull it on 15 minutes as I always do. And it's much easier for me now. I have ideas, but somehow, and that doesn't make sense to me. Tell me how I do this. When I read somewhere that I think it's going to bounce, my average always goes to my random line, and the price comes close to my random line and my average, and then, as I said earlier,
Rockets off the other way.
yeah, just going against me, and fuck, like always pull it to another random line, but it's making like higher lows to my random line. Again, I don't care, like it's not a big deal, but it doesn't make money, that pair, for me now, and it sucks. I didn't lost, but like
You haven't made
it doesn't
anything
feel,
either.
yeah, it doesn't feel good for me. Like I am used to making 100 good trades a day, and as I said, like I'm thinking like I'm going to pull like 7 or 10 pairs in the random bot and just take it easy for a while.
Good idea, man. You deserve some rest after the ridiculous amount of time you've been putting in of late.
Well, this is good, like big project, and like everything went from my pocket in the beginning. Now it's different with the investments, and like now I don't rush it, but I still want to finish the everything because of the people that invest. Like they should have, like, even if they want in this moment, I can give them, but not 100% certain there will not be bugs on the way. I still like didn't test every kind of like market movement and stuff that can go wrong. Like on Brian What Scalper, we found out sometimes when exchange tells you first, it like here's 10,000 candles and you went in the position, exchange give you like 11,000 candles, and because of the 11,000 candles is now bot sees that candle numbers are moved and it's still going in the same candle, it's opening position, and you told the bot like open every 3 candles, but it's going to open in the first candle like few times because of that. And
Mm.
it took us like 2 days to figure out what the hell is happening and why it's happening in the first candle. Then we figure out that exchange suddenly send you different data. Like that doesn't make sense, but we found a way to like work. They can send but whatever they want. It's going to work now. I think, I hope.
Now we just need exchanges to provide similar pricing and it'll be sweet. Testing will be easier.
Yeah, I agree. But with the random bot, much better. First of all, it's limit orders, so it doesn't matter what your speed is. Like you can even be late 2 3 seconds, five, because it's not going to go to react that fast or going to profit target that fast. But sometimes this week at Ethereum, in same day 2 times open same candle, open take profit target, open take profit target in the
Mm.
same candle, and I was like, nice one, nice. I wouldn't do that, like, not a chance. That's like you're beating me, and it's, to be honest, it's starting to be frustrating because I made a freaking bot.
It's
Like it
trading better.
it shouldn't be better than me. Fuck you. Like, I'm going to delete, like on the delete button. Fuck you. You're not going to trade better, motherfucker. Ah, but like, I think my wife would like hang me to the balls, like to the street on to shine. Like if I do that, like, no, it wouldn't be a good idea. And finally, my house should be finished in 3 days.
Nice.
Finally, this is like a whole summer, this and that and this and that. And I put the new heating for the winter. Still not finished, and I hope it's going to get even they going to get that done before the September, because in the October I need to like sometimes turn on the heating, and I don't want to do with the wood anymore. I don't.
Oh, you had like an open fire to heat your house?
It's it's not like I still have radiators,
Hmm.
but it's like on the one center.
Central.
Yeah, central. But now I took multiple heating. I can do with gas, and I can do with electricity. So like whatever, just don't want to put more wood, and it's a big job. Then you have to like clean it every day, and you have to like take the wood, come in, and
Dock
like
it.
yeah, like, and when they deliver you wood, like it's like 20 cubic meters, you then have to get in, and I have like 50 meters to my like spot where I keep the wood, like, and just drag it here and there, here and there, pluck it like I
Sounds like a job for your son.
uh, I think I spoiled them too much, but doesn't matter. My wife has asthma, and like there's a sometimes there's even smoke in house, and I don't like, we don't need to like have wood heating. Like why? It's like it's
Especially if your wife has asthma.
yeah. We didn't have in the last house and apartment, but when we sold that and I bought this one, this is much bigger, and in my head I first figured out it has to be wood. But then when they explain me, when I do the isolation properly and you windows, doors and everything, it's going to be easy to heat the house. Then I like fuck, like let's do it. But I didn't know that's a big job. Like we still not finished, and I wasn't live 2 weeks and something, and we started before I was live. Like this is really really long time.
Yep. Anyway, I think what you've done so far is amazing, and I'm thoroughly enjoying playing with it. I still have to work out how it works properly, but it's been fun playing with it. I gotta say, it's almost a challenge to make it try and lose. I gotta say that too.
You
What
can.
stupid shit can I put in here?
I can explain what to do. Put the first order to be one lot and max lots 100 lot. It's going to lose in 2 days.
Account wrecked. Done. Easy.
So
GG.
like it can and it will lose, but I want to prepare settings like it's two settings for each pair is enough, like 10-15 pairs. It's easy to find and put all like settings, and just when I give the bot like here the finished settings, you just click the button, activate it, and just don't touch it. Fuck, don't mess with that. Don't mess with Zohan.
Don't touch your money printing machine. Just let it go. um, yeah, I think on our list is to write some documentation for instructions on how it works, not necessarily how it works, but how to measure settings and stuff like that. And the other thing I was thinking of considering doing an advanced mode thing where you could like manually tweak the settings if you were super keen on it, but I don't know if we want people doing that. That's probably
No,
something we'll
no,
talk about later.
for people, I wouldn't like recommend that them that I can do that, and I'm doing that when I see there's like the random lines are too far away. Then I do the different kind of swing, and I put the smaller swings. So like I choose smaller number of candles to find the perfect swing, and then I
Yep.
do the smaller ranges. But other than that, I don't want to touch it because it should took trade on the random line. Like it shouldn't mess with that. That's that's the proper way of trading for this kind of
Yep.
strategy. Like I'm not saying other strategies are not valid, but like
That's how this one works.
yeah, and you already saw on Twitter today, like it had from first to today 145 winning trades in a row. Like
Crazy.
easy, like, and 10-14% max drawdown on all four pairs, not on one pair but four pairs. So
Total. Yeah, total account drawdown, right?
that's nothing. Yeah. So like, fuck it. I don't want to like mess with that because when I think this time it's not going, like don't take this time, don't take this time every time, it like
It
example
works.
for Ethereum. Ethereum shouldn't like be in the range. That's cryptocurrency. It's just going up or it's just going down. It's not going in the range. But it made the most trades in 2 weeks, like 78 trades, and it's just winning and winning and fucking winning and winning and like Jesus, this is crypto. It shouldn't work. I didn't make this for crypto. It was made for something else. But hey, it's working.
But
So
we'll take it.
yeah, why not? Fine, fine, fine.
Cool. I gotta make a phone call for work.
We're going
I'll
to
be back if you.
we're going to finish. I still have something to do, and I'm going to watch the people finishing the house because I want to see this time if there's any fuckery before they leave, like fix this and that, and we will start soon again live and just chatting because if bots trading, maybe I can do some manual trading, but only for fun. Don't really have to do that. But hey, why don't we have coffee like before market open? Just chat a bit and enjoy.
Yeah.
Trading shouldn't be just hard work. Like you just click the button and and drink coffee. Uh,
Sounds great.
yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks everybody for being here. Just this is a update, and I hope you like it. Till next time. I see you.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.